How to get Cibil Pro promo codes, or how simply you can get discount on the Cibil website. For this, I will simply search on my browser and then click it on the first website I will see, that is Coupon Pin. This is an authorized and official genuine website to find promo codes for any website. As you can see, these are the QR or the promo codes registered here for 30% off, for subscription off, or for many type of detail. Now, to get a QR or promo code, what you have to do is simply click on this blue icon, that is show the code here, and then it will redirect you to the Cibil website where you have to log in with your email ID or your phone number, and then it will be applied to your account. This is how you can find any of the promo codes for any website on the Google Chrome or from the browser of your laptop. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.